So Tony, what can you tell me about Bitmine Immersion Technologies?
Right. Bitmine Immersion Technologies is a very interesting company. It's a US company. It is the world's #1 Ethereum treasury company. These companies, normally these treasury companies are Bitcoin treasury companies, but Ethereum is only second in size to Bitcoin, but it's considered to have a lot more uses, Ethereum, than Bitcoin, which is purely a digital gold, if you like, or digital internet currency. Whereas Ethereum has got a lot more going for it. Now, this company, Bitmine Immersion Technologies, their main business lines include Bitcoin mining, synthetic Bitcoin mining through involvement in Bitcoin mining, hash rate as a financial product, offering advisory and mining services to companies interested in earning Bitcoin denominator revenues, and general Bitcoin advisory to public companies. It's now the largest corporate owner of Ethereum globally. Ethereum's an interesting cryptocurrency, different to Bitcoin, not as large. It's probably only about 15-20% the size of Bitcoin in terms of the total value of it, but it's felt that it's got a lot more applications called smart apps and DeFi, which is decentralized finance apps. So it's felt that it's got a lot more uses. You'd probably use it more for that aspect of it than the actual currency itself. So yeah, an interesting one, an interesting change to go away from being a Bitcoin treasury company to an Ethereum treasury company. Interestingly, this company's shares, the last time I checked the other day, were only valued at what I call an 8% premium to net assets, which means the value of the Bitcoin on the balance sheet, main asset they own, or Ethereum rather, is only slightly lower than the share price. That contrasts enormously with the company's strategy, which has a 200% premium to its net assets. In other words, arguably it's worth, the shares are 200% overvalued if you do it on the simple measure of how much the company owns compared to the share price. So arguably Bitmine Immersion Technologies is a lot better value for money because that's only a small premium. You don't want to be paying way over the odds for something, and I feel at the moment strategy is a bit too overvalued, in my opinion.